ash on the altar, wax on my hands, name in a language I don't understand. Cold air is listening, dust in the beams. I stand in the doorway between waking and dreams. Under this veil of quiet stars, I lay my questions down, all of my broken, borrowed scars folded into the ground. If there is mercy in the dark, let it remember me. Under this veil of quiet stars, I wait and I breathe. Smoke draws a circle, fades as it climbs. Time feels thinner than these crooked chimes. Mouth forms a prayer, heart stays